to my channel. So today I'm doing a very exciting video. I'm doing a festival inspired look. I'm feeling like a gypsy right now. So most things I used for this look were I think like Colourpop is basically all I used. So it's very affordable, and the jewels I got from eBay as well. So this was not expensive to do at all. It was a pretty easy look. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have done just one eye off camera because I had no idea what I wanted to do. I didn't want to look like a retard. So we are going to start off with this shade by Colourpop. I have no idea what these shades are called, so I'm just going to look them up on the Colourpop website and I'll put it in the description box. But I'm just taking this shade and I'm using my Zoeva 228 brush. And I'm just applying that on the crease. So now I'm taking my Morphe M330 brush and I'm going in with this dark blue shade by Colourpop as well, and I'll put the name of that one in the description as well. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner and blend. Okay, so for the beautiful shimmery part, I'm using this supernova shadow by Colourpop called Lucky Penny, and I had no idea that it was like blue, because like as you can see it's like white, but it is so pretty. Like it's just like this really iridescent blue. I'm going back in with that dark blue shade and I'm just going to blend that. So now I'm just putting a little bit of pink underneath, and I'm taking this shade, I know this one, it is called Flower Boy, also by Colourpop. I'm not sponsored, guys. I wish I was sponsored, but I just love Colourpop so much. But it's just, yeah, really pretty light pink. And I'm taking my Zoeva 230 brush. I think that would be like a dream come true if I got sponsored by Colourpop. And then I'm taking my My Little Pony palette and going in with this pink shade. Just to darken it up a little bit. And then for highlighter on the inner corner and under the brow, I'm going to take the Sportdgirl On The Glow Mermazing palette, and I'm taking that blue highlighter. Just going to use that same brush that I just used for the pink. Now for eyeliner, just using my usual hyper glossy one by Maybelline. Then I'm just going to add some white eyeliner underneath. Ooh, eyes are watering. Ooh. So for lashes, I'm just using these Model Rock 212s. Can my neighbours just shut up? Okay, so eyes are done. I am so happy with how these look. They look so cute. So now I'm going to go on to highlighter, and I'm going to take that beautiful blue highlighter. Cannot wait to put this on. It's like a purpley blue, but so pretty. Like, are you kidding me, bitch? Oh, stunning. The scary part to see if these jewels will actually stick on. But I got these off eBay. They were only $1, so I mean, if they work, then bargain. Yeah, I'm pretty scared right now. I am scared. Alright, like shaking. I think I'm a bit off, but oh well. It's on, guys, it is on. Ooh, okay. Now for these little eye bits. Go away. I feel like a gypsy. Alright, I'm just going to do a pink lip, and I'm taking Day Slayer by Mecha Max. It's just a bright pink. Just be, you know, a little bit extra. I'm going to take this Shimmer Shot Lip Glitter by Mecha Max. Sorry guys, this is the final finished look. I think that this is super cute, and I love how it turned out. I think it's pretty easy to do, and these were actually really easy to apply. They're on eBay for legit $1. It took like a month, I think, to get here, which is a pretty long time, but like, you know, if you know that you have like a festival coming up like in a couple of months, like I highly recommend just buying them off eBay, because like I reckon like these would stay on, like they don't feel like they're gonna come off at all. And it was just like one piece, it wasn't like you had to stick them like one by one, so it was super easy to do. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It means the world to me. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!